As a mold builder, you really need to have self-sustainability, having all the equipment internally so you can control process, you can control price to some degree. We existed for 24 years as a full-service mold builder without a boring mill, without a gun drill. We depended on sub-suppliers. That was up until about 2016. We started noticing our delivery dates were drifting, partly because the capacity that existed in the supply chain was being utilized above and beyond the availability, and our delivery dates started getting tougher and tougher to meet using sub-suppliers. I called a friend, asked him who we buy machinery from, Dan Meehan from Performance Machine, and asked him, looking for a gun drill, do you sell one? Do you know of anyone that sells one? And it just happened to be the same time he was entertaining taking the Chetto line on. And we were able to meet with Carlos from Chetto. After looking at the machine and totally grasping its capabilities and what impact that machine could have on our process of mold building, we took the chance. The Fagor control was new to us, and Carlos assured me it was the right match for what the machine was designed to do. It was designed to do with the Fagor control. And he committed to the training, he committed to the product, and we committed to the Chetto machine.
We see Chetto as a game changer for us in our business, quite frankly, based on what we saw in Portugal and Europe with their philosophy of multitasking and using water-based soluble fluids and all their stuff they have. The technology they have is unique in the gun drilling industry. So we think it's going to be a major player, quite frankly, and the success we've had in just the first year shows that. So we see Chetto eclipsing our success, quite frankly. So we have very high hopes for it, we really do.
If I look back to the last year, what happened with us in Michigan, so Michigan is also a reference state for us. We get orders more than $5 million, so in 1 year work with Performance Machinery. And we believe the next 10 years in US will be an amazing years. First, because we know that we have a good product, we know that we have a good team behind it, and at the same time the market is booming and the people, they like technology. They like the state-of-the-art products, and when they are buying, they want the best. And we are connected with the best. It's why we believe the USA will be one of our main markets on sales.
The experience that I have now with Chetto, with Fagor, I would recommend to anyone. The hesitancy is probably based on my past experience with other machines, other controls that didn't work out favorably for whatever reason. But the training and the support that we got from Fagor and Chetto, and the result that we're getting with not just the machine, but the operator's ability to utilize the machine to the performance level that it was intended has sold me. I would absolutely recommend that.
Chetto and Fagor is, I will say, a happy marriage, because we start to work with Fagor exactly since the beginning. We are, I will say, a technological partners. We develop a lot of softwares, a lot of new solutions, a lot of customization on the control, and we are very happy with the Fagor team. The support is perfect, the service is amazing, and the people, they are always ready to help and ready to listen. That is very important for us.
The first machine, the salesman sells me. The second one, the machine sells me.